Hello everyone, my name is Madeline Jules Ditolete. Today I'm gonna show you my science trick. So I will make a lava experiment. First things first, ask your grown-ups for help. So let's get started. So I've got my vinegar, my mixture, my food coloring, and my baking soda. And this is pretend a volcano. So let's get started. So I will use the baking soda. Got here my baking soda. Now I'll put the food coloring in the vinegar. So now I put it. So are you ready, guys? And a 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my God! One more time. Oh! So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye.